Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging to DTE Energy rates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your electric vehicle charging station to DTE Energy rates, start by determining the right charging solution for your needs. Assess your electric vehicle's charging capacity and daily usage. Visit the DTE Energy website to review the available EV rate options. Choose a plan that best suits your charging habits and budget. Gather the necessary information, including your DTE account details and vehicle specifications. Download or access the DTE Energy app if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the section dedicated to electric vehicle charging. Follow the prompts to input your information and select your preferred rate plan. Make sure to read through all terms and conditions associated with the chosen plan. Set up any additional features, such as schedules for overnight charging. Prepare to install your charging station if you haven't done so already. If required, contact DTE Energy for a consultation to discuss installation services. Schedule an electrician if you're handling the installation yourself. Ensure your electrical system can support the charging station requirements. Install the charging station according to manufacturer specifications. Once installed, connect the charger to your home Wi-Fi network if applicable. Utilize the DTE Energy app to monitor your charging sessions and track usage. Check for any incentives or rebates offered by DTE Energy for EV owners. Periodically review your energy usage and adjust your charging schedules as needed. Stay updated on any changes to DTE Energy's EV rate plans or policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.